Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to solve different type of numerical which is related with units of concentration. Now today the numerical which we are going to solve is about numerical related with molality, which is the unit of concentration, by mass percent. By mass percent. The numerical is calculate the molality, small m, calculate the molality of 12% urea solution. There may be possibility that molar mass will be given, or by using atomic masses we can easily calculate or find out molar mass of urea. First of all, on the basis of given question, calculate molality, that is small m. Mass percent of urea is given. Mass percent of urea is 12%. The formula of urea is CONH2 twice. Formula of urea. Urea formula is CONH2 twice, or we can write urea as CONH2 NH2. We can write both formula of urea for calculation of molar mass. First of all, we have given mass of urea which is equals to 12%. 12% mass per mass of urea means 12 grams of urea in 88 grams of universal solvent, that is water. Here we have mass of urea, that is mass of solute will be 12 grams, and mass of solvent, mass of water which is used as universal solvent will be 88 grams. So by given mass percent of any compound, here we have urea. So other than urea we can have glucose, sugar, NaOH, caustic, or maybe alum. By given mass percent we can easily find out mass of solute and mass of solvent. Now the formula of molality, we know that the formula of molality is mass of substance in gram divided by molar mass multiplied by 1000 if mass of solvent will be present in grams. If mass of solvent is in grams, it means that you will have to multiply this ratio from 1000. As a result, the mass of solvent will be converted into kilograms, because the definition of molality is number of moles of solute dissolved per kg of solvent. By using given data, we have calculated mass of solute, that is mass of urea, mass of solvent which is equals to 88 grams, and 1000 is a constant. Now we are going to move towards to calculate molar mass of urea, that is CONH2 twice. Now mass of carbon is 12, number 1 multiplied by 1 moles, plus mass of oxygen is 16 multiplied by 1 plus 2, mass of nitrogen is 14 multiplied by 1 plus mass of hydrogen is 1 multiplied by 2. Now after calculation it becomes 12 plus 16 plus 2, 14 plus 2, 16 to 32. Now after multiplying addition we will get 60 grams per mole, which is the molar mass of urea. Now equation number 1 implies molality. Molality becomes mass of solute, which we have calculated by mass percent, which is equals to 12 grams. Now put mass of solute, that is 12 grams, multiply by 1000 constant value, divided by molar mass of urea is 60, and mass of solvent, that is water, become 88, which is also calculated by mass percent. Hence the molality of urea in 12% solution become grams kg per mole. It will be 2.27 kg per mole. Sorry, it is moles per kg, because the unit of mass over molar mass is moles, and we have convert this gram into kg. It means that moles per kg is the unit of molality. We can also written as small m, or 2.27 small m, which is will be represent molar solution. 2.27 molar solution. It means that mass percent of urea is 12%. 12% mass of urea, if it will be converted into molality, it becomes 2.27 molar solution of urea. Hope you will find an easy technical way to solve this sort of numerical from mass percent to molality, or mass percent or mass per volume percent to molarity. Inshallah, in the next video we will have to convert mass per volume percent into molarity. If you have any query regarding understanding this sort of numerical, so you can directly comment or message. Otherwise, take care. Allah Hafiz.